Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that we have a circle with center 0, 4 and a radius with endpoint 4/3, 5. We're asked, from this information, can we find the equation of the circle? So the standard equation of a circle gives us x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius. Okay, so we already have the center, so we can just plug in 0 for h and 4 for k. So we have x minus 0 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals r squared. We'll figure out r later, but first of all, we have x minus 0 is just x squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to r squared. So we see x squared plus y minus 4 squared. This lines up with A or C. We know it can't be B or D since these have plus 4, which would correlate to a different center. So now we just need to know, is r squared equal to 25 over 9, sorry, looking at this, or is it equal to 5/3? So to do that, we're gonna actually have to find the radius. So we know the radius is going to be the distance between the center and the endpoint, right? Because if you have a circle here, this is your center, that's your endpoint. The distance between them is the radius. So the distance formula is the square root of the difference in the y values squared plus the difference in the x values squared, right? And make sure that you are subtracting in the same order both times. So we have 5 minus 4 squared. This is the difference in the y values squared. So we have 5 minus 4 is 1 squared plus 4/3 minus 0 squared, which is 4/3 squared. So doing this here, square root of 1 squared is 1 plus 4/3 squared is 4 squared, 16 over 3 squared, 9. So doing this right here, we want to add these fractions together. So we want to get this in like terms. 1 is equal to 9 divided by 9. So when we add that to 16 over 9, we now have the same base. So we can add the numerators. 9 plus 16 is 25 over 9. So this is the distance between them. But we're not looking for the radius. We're looking for the radius squared. So we actually have to take this 25 over 9 squared, and the square of the square root of anything is just the thing itself inside. So the r squared is the square root of 25 over 9 squared is just 25 over 9. So we can put in 25 over 9 for r squared, which is going to correlate with A. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.